What is animal? Hold on. Grab the bats again. Grab the bats. Wait, where's the other bat?
I don't know. I think it flew out of existence.
I guess we could. Oh wait, yeah, just buy another bat. Okay.
Wait. I said wait.
Put it on your back and then. Oh wait. Okay. Okay. Now, if I place it correctly. Oh, I did not place it correctly. How am I gonna get it back?
Yeah, you ain't getting that back.
Oh, how do you get it back, bro?
Destroy the city! I destroy it all! I'm destroying the city! But no one can stop me! I'm trying!
Oh!
It's huge!
You corpse killed me!
Shall I respawn?
Nah, bro. Oh, okay, I'm gonna place it correctly.
What happened this time?
Did I? Okay, there we go. Oh, so not correctly.
I'm back.
Okay. What is Animal Company though?